Hey everyone, it's Deja from Knit and Crochet Ever After, and I have something really cool to show you. I got this from Lazadas knitting. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. They sent this to me so I could review it and tell you what I think about it, and so far I really love it. So I'm going to show you first what it is and see if you can figure out. So when I opened it, this is what it looked like. It came with this little thing here that shows what it is, but this is what it came like in the box or in the bag. And if you don't know what it is, you know, it looks like a football, but it's not. What it is a yarn bowl slash project bag. So it's made of silicone, so it's really light, it's super flexible, totally packable, and really cool. I really like this. So here's the Lazadas. I'm going to do a close-up so you can see this a little bit better because I know that the camera wants to focus all crazy, but I just want to kind of show you how big this is. Like, this can hold quite a bit, you know, but usually when you're knitting or crocheting on the go, you're not doing a blanket, so this is gonna fit a couple skeins. It's got enough room, but it's got some really cool features that I'm going to show you in a close-up so you can kind of see it a little bit better. So let me go get close. Lazadas knitting accessories. This is so cute. I love the little knit stitch imprint, and it's all the way around here. Now you can see the holes better. So you could either use that to feed your yarn through, or you can use it to stick your needles through, you know, from in here so that it holds your stitches on. So let me show you the thing here. So Project Caddy yarn bowl on the go, which it totally is. It's 100% silicone, lightweight, flexible, odorless, smooth, no snags, and waterproof. It is super smooth. It feels so nice. It's very soft. Like really, really soft. It's kind of like you just want to pet it because it's so soft. On the back side, it is a 10-inch diameter and 5 inches deep. You can see it's holding quite a bit of yarn in the picture, and it really does. It's got a good, I got a Karen Chunky Cakes right here. And you can see, let me hold this up a little bit, that it holds it really easily. So you can fit a whole chunky cake in here with no problem. Let me close it up here. It may not close all the way, but if I had two hands, I bet it would. Hold on, let me try. I turn it sideways. And now I am good to go. So I can fit a whole chunky cake in here, which this thing has a lot of yardage. How much yardage does this have? This is super bulky yarn, and it has, where's the yardage? 300 yards. 300 yards of super bulky will fit in this thing no problem. So that is really cool. And the 4 holes to secure needles or hooks in place, no losing stitches, a loop to easily thread through to a slit to fasten the caddy closed, because functional can be also beautiful. I am switching my words around, but I really am digging on this. I like how this kind of folds down because it's not in the way, so when I'm knitting or crocheting, if it's stuck up like this, it probably gets snagged on the yarn. So because it folds down like that, it's out of the way when I'm using it as a yarn bowl. But I think it's all, you know, very good design, because when you have it like this, then it kind of cinches it closed because it has that fold over, and if you let it go, it stays closed. It doesn't want to plop back open. So if it faced the other way, then it would probably just want to fall back open. But you could use it either way, so you could guide your yarn through this hole, or you could guide your yarn through those holes. So it's very, very cool and functional. Okay, so I got my newest Knit Crate yarn here. I'm just going to grab this end so I can rewind it when I'm done. Where's the end? So if I throw that in, and then I find one of my holes here, see how well this works. Let's see if this will work for a yarn guide. Oh yeah, it totally does. That's super easy. It's not getting snagged at all. See, it's pulling. I like that. That is really cool. Yep, I can definitely see that being something good. And I can see that it's grabbing the little extra furs off the yarn. So that could be a plus too, especially if you're using like some of that Angora yarn that has, because Angora yarn, it's so pretty and soft, but it makes a mess because of those Angora bunnies. They don't have super long hair. So that could actually kind of maybe grab extra little bits and pieces that might fly off your yarn and trap it in the bowl, because this bowl's kind of sticky, like little flecks and stuff want to stick to it, so that might be a good thing as well. Yes, I'm really liking this thing. This is really a good design. I like how it feels. I like how the yarn is not sticking to it when I'm pulling it through the holes. I'm sure there's probably a million other uses that we can think of to use this for. Can you guys think of other stuff that we could do with these holes or the slit or even the handle? I would love to hear in the comments your ideas of what we could use this for as well. But go check out the link in the description to see this and see all the other colors that it comes with. And if you want to get your own, I totally recommend it because it's really cool. I'm going to go put it as my go-to yarn bowl right now in my little spot on my couch and get to work. So if you have any questions or some good uses for this, leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.